Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make salsa tatemada. Char tomatillos and chilies directly over flame until blackened, then peel and blend with garlic, onion, cilantro, and lime. Use salt to balance and adjust heat with more chilies or water to thin. Serve warm or chilled with tortilla chips, tacos, or grilled meats for a bright, smoky salsa that elevates simple meals with minimal fuss. Gather fresh tomatillos, chilies, onion, garlic, cilantro, lime, and salt before you start. Prepare a hot flame or cast iron skillet for even charring. Work in batches to avoid steaming the produce. Peel charred skins where needed and reserve smoky bits for texture. Blend to your preferred chunkiness, taste for salt and acidity, and adjust with lime or water until the salsa is balanced and lively for serving. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing recipes. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading recipes anywhere, with a crisp screen and long battery life that keeps your cookbook clutter-free. It's especially handy when you're cooking away from the counter or following steps on a porch grill. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Use a high, steady flame and rotate tomatillos and chilies so they blacken uniformly without igniting. Remove charred skins selectively to keep smoky bits that contribute texture and flavor. Pulse in a blender for control over chunkiness, then rest the salsa briefly to let flavors meld. Taste again before serving and add a squeeze of lime or a pinch of salt to sharpen the final profile for a fresh, balanced result.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.